McAlpine make a wide and varied range of top quality air admittance valves, which are normally registered under A1 category. Over the last year, we've had a request from many areas for an external air admittance valve. Now just let me point something out to you. The BS EN 12056 Parts 2 2000 states that air admittance valves should only be fitted internally. But in some cases and relaxation, where it's permitted, you're looking for an external air admittance valve. Now when I say external, the air admittance valve, the VP100E valve, can be fitted both externally or internally and will produce 40 litres per second of air, an A1 category valve. The difference is that when you have this fitted externally, you can fit it 200mm above the last centre of the last wet branch, which eliminates the need for the soil pipe to be returned over the guttering and at high level, so you're working at a low level. It's quite easily installed. As you will see, it's a 110mm finned valve. It comes in white, grey and black. It's got an inset mesh which stops anything getting into the area. It's also got a spring stainless steel diaphragm, working seal, and easy maintenance, as you can see. But I would suggest, if you're doing this externally and it's building control is involved, I would recommend that you ask the building control officer if it's appropriate to fit an external air admittance valve outside, depending on the installation requirements. It's easily installed into the 110mm pipe. And that's good to go. Thank you.